Our dash cam in the van has taken a dump, so we're getting a new one, and we went with this PRUVEEO. And let's take a look at it. We're opening it up for the first time here. It's shipped in a really nice box with some good foam, keeping it safe. And this is the 4-channel. Yeah, look at that. So we've got the screen here. We've got the different channels here. They can go both front and back. Looking forward to using this one for sure. Other things in the box include a 128 SD card. That's handy. Plenty of space. We got a suction cup attachment point. We've got the installation set. Oh, this is the rear camera. So this is a camera that goes with enough cord to go all the way to the rear. We've got a trim pry bar. That's handy to include. We've got some double-sided foam pieces. And then this is the charge for the cigarette lighter. We've also got a adhesive plaque to mount it someplace. Maybe that's for the windshield. And then the instructions. Looks like we also have a piece of film here. A couple of those. That's handy. So they really thought of everything. We'll have to take a look at these instructions and get it installed into the van. We're really looking forward to using this one. We want to thank PRUVEEO for sending us this one. This is so much nicer than the one we had been using. I'm going to have to check out all the different accessories here. But I can see where the rear camera is going to plug in, where that SD card is going to plug in, and where the power is going to plug in. We'll have a screen with controls on the front here. And at least 3 cameras up front, and this 4th camera for the rear. Hope this helps.